if you miss something, you're just not going to get the benefit of hearing those things.
We are focusing 3 days, and you're going to be hearing from real estate agents that are hitting it out of the park. This is not something that we heard that works, or we're hearing secondhand, or somebody read about. This is what is actually happening in their marketplaces. You're going to get the specifics. All you have to do is sit back and copy.
There's so many new things to learn every time.
With marketing changing all the time, technology changing all the time, you really want to be on the cutting edge. You either can do it right or do it wrong. So it's really important to know all the strategies and how to monetize it and how to make a difference in our industry.
Well, there you have it. We heard from some really great people tonight on how important it is to be at these events. Make sure that you go to the coaching site and register under Schedule and Events tab and register your seat now.